Hi, this is Karin from howtotap.com, and I'm going to be reading from Christiane Beerlandt's The Key to Self-Liberation for Sneezing. A refusal, a no to yourself. You don't really want to express your content and your possibilities. You are allergic to yourself. You withdraw. Resistance. You doubt yourself, your worth. You are afraid of truly being yourself. Rejection. Still an unconscious urge for self-liberation. Rejection regarding something or someone outside you is just a reflection of not being able to manifest yourself, frankly, the way you feel inside. A feeling of inferiority. You place yourself very low and in the back of the hall. You think you have no right to fully exist. You feel powerless. You hide in an anonymous mass in order to flee from your individuality. No longer identify yourself, but with the little one inside yourself. Make it welcome. Be good, don't reject it, but allow it to grow up. Discover the warmth and coziness in yourself. Feel safe and protected in your deepest self. Allow your energies to flexibly come through, keeping them turning and no longer bottled up because of feelings of inferiority. Acknowledge your specific worth and your possibilities. No longer hide. Look in all directions. Give yourself all the room you need. Now acknowledge the leadership in yourself. Manifest yourself, produce, believe in your power, in your creative possibilities. Show yourself. Don't reject your content or your body. Mark off your limits in self-confidence.